Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Introduction to Networks, which comes under the subject Computer Networks and Security. This lecture is meant for Semester 3 BCA course of Kerala University. In the last lecture, we have discussed the types of networks. Now let's discuss the network topology. Network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangements of various types of telecommunication networks and computer networks. Network topology is the topological structure of a network and may be depicted physically or logically. It is an application of graph theory wherein communicating devices are modeled as nodes and the connections between the devices are modeled as links or lines between the nodes. ഒരു നെറ്റ്വർക്കിൽ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിനെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയെ ടോപ്പോളജി എന്ന് പറയാം. കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിനെ നോഡ്സ് എന്നും കണക്ഷനെ ലിങ്ക്സ് എന്നും പറയാം. Categories of network topology. The categories of network topologies are of two types. First one, physical network topology. Second one, logical network topology. Physical network topology. The physical network topology refers to the actual connections of how the network is arranged. Setup, maintenance and provisioning tasks require insight into the physical network. Logical network topology. The logical network topology is a higher level idea of how the network is set up, including which nodes connect to each other and in which ways, as well as how data is transmitted through the network. Logical network topology includes any virtual and cloud resources. ഒരു ഫിസിക്കൽ നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് ടോപ്പോളജി നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന കേബിളിനെ കുറിച്ചും നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് അറേഞ്ച്മെൻറ്റ് എങ്ങനെ എന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ചും പ്രതിപാദിക്കുന്നു. എന്നാൽ ലോജിക്കൽ നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് ടോപ്പോളജി ഒരു നെറ്റ്വർക്കിൻ്റെ സെറ്റപ്പ് എങ്ങനെയെന്നും ഡേറ്റ ട്രാൻസ്മിഷൻ എങ്ങനെ എന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ചുമായിരിക്കും പ്രതിപാദിക്കുന്നത്. Now we can discuss the types of network topology. There are several different types of network topology and all are suitable for different purposes depending on the overall network size and the objectives. They are: first one, bus topology; second one, ring topology; third one, tree topology; fourth one, star topology; fifth one, mesh topology; and sixth one is hybrid topology. A bus topology orients all the devices on a network along a single cable running in a single direction from one end of the network to the other, which is why it's sometimes called a line topology or backbone topology. Data flow on the network also follows the route of the cable moving in one direction. The advantages of bus topology is that they are good cost-effective choice for smaller networks because the layout is simple, allowing all devices to be connected via a single coaxial or RJ45 cable. If needed, more nodes can be easily added to the network by joining additional cables. Second one is ring topology. In ring topology, nodes are arranged in a circle or ring. The data can travel through the ring network in either one direction or both directions, with each device having exactly two neighbors. When data is transmitted, the packets also travel along the circle, moving through each of the intermediate nodes until they arrive at their destination. If a large network is arranged in a ring topology, repeaters can be used to ensure packets arrive correctly and without data loss. Only one station on the network is permitted to send data at a time, which greatly reduces the risk of packet collisions making ring topologies efficient at transmitting data without errors. ഒരു സമയത്ത് ഒരു സ്റ്റേഷന് മാത്രമേ ഡേറ്റ സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷൻ റിംഗ് ടോപ്പോളജിയിൽ ഉള്ളൂ. തേർഡ് വൺ ഈസ് ട്രീ ടോപ്പോളജി. The shape of this network is an inverted tree with the central root branching and sub-branching to its extremities of the network. A tree topology has a parent-child hierarchy to how the nodes are connected. Those connected to the central hub are connected linearly to other nodes, so two connected nodes only share one mutual connection. Because the tree topology structure is both extremely flexible and scalable, it's often used for wide area networks to support many spread out devices. Third one is star topology. A star topology is the most common network topology. Every node in the network is directly connected to one central hub via coaxial, twisted pair or fiber optic cable. Acting as a server, this central node manages data transmission. As information sent from any node on the network has to pass through the central one to reach its destination, and functions as a repeater, which helps to prevent data loss. Star topologies are common since they allow conveniently to manage the entire network from a single location, because each of the node is independently connected to the central hub. If one node go down, the rest of the network will continue functioning unaffected, making the star topology a stable and secure network layout. The fourth one is mesh topology. A mesh topology is an intricate and elaborate structure of point-to-point connections where the nodes are interconnected. Mesh networks can be full or partial mesh. Partial mesh topologies are mostly interconnected with a few nodes with only 2 or 3 connections, while full mesh topologies are fully interconnected. The web-like structure of mesh topologies offers two different methods of data transmission: routing and flooding. When data is routed, the nodes use logic to determine the shortest distance from the source to destination, and when data is flooded, the information is sent to all nodes within the network without the need for routing logic. The fifth one is hybrid topology. Hybrid topologies combine two or more different topology structures. The tree topology is a good example, integrating the bus and star layouts. Hybrid structures are most commonly found in larger companies where individual departments have personalized network topologies adapted to suit their needs and network usage. The main advantage of hybrid structure is the degree of flexibility they provide. In this lecture, we have discussed the network topologies and the types of network topologies. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.